Hello students, welcome to lecture number 11. Here I am Raglan Well from Jens Polytechnic College. Now I am going to start the second unit of your subject system maintenance. In this video we are going to see about the types of slots. What are the types of slots we are using in a computer? If we see in a motherboard, there are so many slots are there in which we use to insert cards, expansion cards to extend the features of the motherboard. So the slot alternatively referred to as a bus slot or expansion ports, as expansion slot is connected a port located inside the computer on a motherboard allows the computer hardware expansion card to be connected. For example, if you want to install a new video card in a computer, you would purchase a new video expansion card and install that card into a compatible expansion slot. There are many expansion card slots are there in a motherboard, but most likely we are going to only encounter with AGP, PCI and PCI Express slot. Those are working in a computer today. In this picture, we are seeing there in a motherboard, there are so many slots. These are the slots that are for expansion cards, and these are the slots for the RAM, and these are the slots for the SATA's cable. So here in a sketch diagram, we can clearly see that different slots with name that PCI1, PCI2, AGP slots. So now we are going to see in detail about the different types of slots. Now we are going to see about the ISA slot. The ISA stands for International Standard Architecture. ISA is the 16-bit internal bus introduced from IBM that was used in PC-80 motherboard. So the most ancient type of expansion slot is the ISA because it is a very old slot that was used since very old motherboard. That's because it's never really had a name until another better type of expansion slot came along. ISA slot was still there without any change of name because there was no any other slot came with better technology or for improvement for expansion slot. So the ISA slot hangs around to be compatible with older expansion cards. The ISA, also termed as input-output channel by IBM. The ISA slot was created in 1981 by the IBM company, and now it is supersetted by PCI and AGP in 1993 and 1986. The speed of the ISA slot is up to 8 or 16 bit. We can connect up to 6 devices in ISA slot, and its speed is 8 MB per second. And ISA slots are the parallel type of slots. The 16-bit ISA bus was also used with 32-bit processor for several years. And to extend it to 32-bit called Extended Industry Standard Architecture means EISA. Now also we are using EISA like extended means the 16-bit extended to the 32 bits. But it was not really very successful. However, later buses such as VESA, that is local bus, and PCI were used instead of the ISA slot. Even though ISA disappeared from the consumer desktop many years ago, but it is still used in some of the industrial PC. The ISA bus was developed by the team led by Mark Dean at IBM as a part of IBM PC project that was held in 1981. So ISA were designed by IBM already know. The 8-bit version of a buffered interface to the motherboard buses that was first in Intel 8088 16 by 8-bit CPU in the IBM PC. And ISA was designed to connect peripheral cards to the motherboard and allows for bus mastering. Only the first 16 MB of main memory is addressable in the ISA. The original 8-bit bus ran from the 4.77 MHz clock of the 8088 CPU in the IBM PC, means PCXT, that was the name of that particular motherboard. The original 16-bit bus ran from the CPU clock of the 80286 in IBM PC 80 computers. If we talk about the architecture of the ISA bus, it as an 8-bit ISA bus used for Intel 8086, and it wasn't buffered electrically of the 8 data and 20 addresses line of that 8088 processor. In 8 by 16 bit, where have incompatibilities, memory addresses decoding for the selection of 8 or 16-bit transfer mode was limited to 128 KB sections, leading to problem when mixing 8 and 16 bit cards as they could not coexist in the same 128 KB area. This is because the MEMCS 16 line is required to the set based on the value of L1723 only. But still now the ISA used today for specialized industrial process. In 2008, the IEI Technologies released a modern motherboard for Intel Core 2 Duo processor, which means dual core, in addition to other special input-output features. ISA was the basis of development of the ATA interface used for ATA motherboard, and more recently serial ATA, like means SATA hard disks. And for ISA slots were used to connect like network card, sound card, and video card, and etc. See, this is AGP slot. AGP stands for Accelerated Graphics Port. This type of expansion slot was specifically designed to deal with graphics adapter. The AGP was designed as a high-speed point-to-point channel for attaching a video card to a computer system, primarily to assist in the acceleration of 3D computer graphics. It was originally designed as a successor to PCI type connection to video card. Since 2004, AGP has been progressively phased out of favor of PCI Express, that is called PCIe. Intel released AGP specification 1.0 in 1997. It specified that it was 3.3 volt signal and 1x and 2x speeds. AGP slots where have official extensions like AGP Pro, which require extension card that requires more electrical power comparing to the normal expansion cards. So for it has a longer slot with additional pins for that purpose because it needs additional power supply. So AGP Pro card variously comes for workstation classes card used for accelerate professional computer aided design. And 64-bit AGP. This channel was once proposed as optional standard for AGP 3.0 in a draft document. And there are also unofficial variation between in the AGP interface, internal AGP interface, that is Ultra AGP and Ultra AGP II. It is an external AGP interface standard used by SIS for the North Bridge controller with integrated graphics. After that, so PCI, AGP Express slots came, and it was mainly used for a 3D aided graphics in an older motherboard before the PCI Express slot came. Older PC may support this expansion slot, but the best video card use PCI Express. We are see about PCI slot. PCI stands for Peripheral Component Interconnect. The PCI slot is the most common form of internal expansion for a PC. Commonly, every PC or every motherboard come with a PCI slot. So PCI is a local computer bus for attaching hardware device in a computer and is a part of the PCI local bus standard. The PCI bus support the functions found on a processor bus, but in the standardized format that is independent of any particular processor's native bus. The PCI slot connects the card directly to the processor. Some PCs having a maximum of PCI and PCI Express slot. Before there was PCI for a long time. After that, the PCI Express slot came. PCI Express is an upgradation of PCI, and the PCI local bus was first implemented in IBM PC compatibilities, where it displays a combination of several slow ISA slot and one fast VISA, that is video local bus slot, as a bus configuration. So PCI slots are came in many versions or specifications. PCI 1.0 introduced in 1992, PCI 2.0 introduced in 1993, PCI 2.1 was introduced in 1995, PCI 2.2 introduced in 1998, PCI 2.3 introduced in 2002, and PCI 3.0 introduced in 2004. that removed the support of 5-volt key system board connector. So next is PCIe slot, that is Peripheral Component Interconnect Express. It was the upgradation of PCI slot. PCI Express, officially abbreviated as PCIe, and it is a high-speed serial computer expansion bus standard designed to replace the older PCI or PCIX or AGP accelerated graphics port bus standard. It is the common motherboard interface for the personal computer in present days for adding graphics card, hard drives, SSDs, Wi-Fi card and Ethernet card hardware connections. PCI Express has numerous improvements over the older standards, including higher communication system bus throughout, that lower input and output pin count and smaller physical footprints, better performance scaling for bus devices. PCI Express slot is the best expansion slot nowadays that a modern PC came with, and it has also have advanced error reporting, that is AER, and native hot swap functionality. So the PCI Express type of expansion slot communicates with the motherboard and therefore it with a microprocessor both quickly and efficiently. Means it will transfer the information or communicates with the motherboard and the processor more quickly than the AGP and the PCI slot. And it is defined by its number of lanes. The PCI Express electrical interface is also used in variety of standards. Most notably the laptop expansion card interface, express card, and computer storage interface, that is serial ATA Express, that is come with U.2 and M.2. So in this PCIe Express slot, we can connect the modern graphics card, sounds card, expansion cards easily. Means it is all in one, not for we can use another port for anything, but PCI Express slot, it is all in one connector that we can use to expand our features of the motherboard. Now it is EISA slot, that is stands for Extended Industry Standard Architecture. Extended Industry Architecture is a bus architecture that extends the industry standard architecture from 16-bit to 32 bits. EISA was introduced in 1988 by the Gang of Nine, a group of PC manufacturers. So we can connect only one device per slot in EISA slot. It has a speed of 8.33 megahertz, that is 33 MB per second. It is type of connect is parallel connection, connection or transfer rate. In comparison with the 80 bus, with the Gang of Nine, that the manufacturers, EISA extend to 32 bits and allow more than one CPU to share the bus. The bus mastering support is also enhanced to provide access to 4 GB of memory. EISA was much favored by manufacturers due to the proprietary nature of MCA, and even IBM produced some machines supporting it. Now this is VESA. That VESA is a local bus. VESA stands for Video Electronics Standard Association. The VESA local bus worked alongside the then dominant ISA bus to provide a standardized high-speed conduit intended primarily to accelerate video graphics operations. So it was introduced during the i486 generation of 32-bit, that is x86 IBM compatible personal computer, and it was created by VESA, that is VESA, the VESA local bus work, uh, and it provide a standardized high speed continued, means it provide a standardized fast part that add in video card that could be greatly accelerated, and it was created in 1992 and suppressed by PCI, and the bandwidth of this Visa slot is 32 bits, and we can connect up to 3 devices in a slot, and its speed is 25 to 40 megahertz and is a parallel type of slot. So this is CNR slot. CNR stands for Communication and Network Riser. CNR is a slot found in a certain PC motherboard and used for specialized networking, audio and telephony equipment. A motherboard manufacturer can choose to provide audio networking or modem functionality in any combination on a CNR card. And CNR slot were commonly found on Pentium 4 class of motherboard, uh, but on board embedded components also be there. So CNR slot has two rows of 30 pins with two possible pins configuration. And CNR type A uses 8 pin, that is physical interface, while type B uses 17 pin, that is media independent interface, that is busline interface. As with AMR, CNR had the cost saving potential for manufacturer by removing that analog input output component from the motherboard. Now AMR slot, that is called generally audio modem riser. AMR is a riser expansion found on the motherboard of the some Pentium 3 or Pentium 4 Duron or Athlon personal computer. It was designed by Intel to interface with chipset and provide along functionality to support such as function to control the function like sound card and modem on a expansion cards. So AMR has two rows of 23 pins as the CNR, making 46 pin total. Three drawbacks of AMR. Sorry, AMR. There are three drawbacks of AMR slot, that it eliminates one PCI slot. It is not plug and play, and it does not allow for hardware accelerated card. Only software based. So technology, it has been superseded by the ACR and Intel owned communication and networking riser. However, riser technology in general never be really took off. So according to the time span, there are so many changes, so many upgradation has been happened in the slot sections. So in this graph, we are seeing that according to the time, so many slots came with advancing in speed and memory sizes. So in 1985, the ISA slot was came that speed was 8 MB per second. And after the ISA slot in 1993, the PCI slot came that speed with 133 MB per second. And in 1997, the AGP accelerated graphics port slot introduced with the speed of 266 MB per second. After that, that was the first stage of AGP, and then AGP was again upgraded to 533 MB per second in 1998, and in 1999 AGP was upgraded into 4x, that is 1.1 GB per second, and the AGP again upgraded or advanced in the speed with 2.1 GB per second in 2002. Till the 2002, there was the AGP slot where the high speed configuration for video card, 3D cards like that, the AGP ports was used. But in 2004, the PCI Express slot was introduced, that speed up to 5 GB per second. It was till now that a modern PC is using the PCI Express card because it is a high speed, and PCI Express card only upgrading and improving with the speeds or with the data rate, maximum data rate in the PC. So in this video, we have seen the types of slot, what are the different types of slot, what are the different types of slot that functions in the motherboard, what are the different types of slot, and how the different types of slot were introduced after time to time, and how that upgraded. Thank you.